Hello! Let's learn new things with kitty cats. It's time to play. Pick a topic. It's time to learn numbers. 4 5 6 3 2 1 Well done! We now know the numbers. Let's match numbers with their outlines. 1 2 5 3 4 6 Well done! All the numbers are in their places now. Let's count the number of objects in each group. 3 tomatoes. 4 cutlery items. 2 books. 1 apple. 6 muffins. 5 sweets. Well done! You've counted all the objects. It's time to play. Pick a topic. It's time to learn new transport. A police car. A motorcycle. A postcard. A car. A plane. A bicycle. Fine, we've learned more about transport. Let's put all the means of transport in the proper places. A plane takes cats all around the world. A motorcycle makes you go very fast. Cats use cars to go on roads. People ride bicycles as a sport. A postcard delivers mail. A police car keeps order in the streets. Well done! You've put all the means of transport into the right places. Let's fix all the transport. A wheel. Wings. An exhaust pipe. A wheel. An emblem. A dash light. Great! You have fixed all the transport. Choose a topic and let's learn. There are so many different animals in the world. Let's take a look at them. Rabbit. Dog. Squirrel. A frog. Goat. Cow. Great! Now you know all these animals. Let's put all the animals to their places and see what sounds they make. A dog goes. A rabbit goes. A cow goes. A squirrel goes. A goat goes. A frog goes. Perfect! All animals are in their places. Let's learn what animals eat. A fly. A frog eats flies. Nuts. A squirrel eats nuts. Grass. A cow eats grass. A bone. A dog eats bones. A carrot. A rabbit eats carrots. Cabbage. A goat eats cabbage. Great! You have fed all animals. It's time to play. Pick a topic. Let's find out what occupations exist. A gardener. A painter. A doctor. A sportsman. A fisherman. A pilot. Fine! We have learned new professions. Let's move cats of different professions to their places and see what they do. A sportsman does sport. A doctor treats other cats. A fisherman catches fish. A pilot flies a plane. A painter colors walls. A gardener decorates gardens. Good job! We now know more about professions. Let's decide what objects people of different professions need. A ball. A sportsman needs a ball. A stethoscope. A doctor needs a stethoscope. A watering can. A gardener needs a watering can. A hat. A pilot needs a hat. A fishing rod. A fisherman needs a fishing rod. A roller. A painter needs a roller. Well done! Now you know what objects are necessary for each profession. It's time to play. Pick a topic. Let's see what's edible and what's not. A ball. A fly agaric. Honey. A ball of thread. A pie. An ice cream. Well done! Now we've learned more about objects. Let's drag the objects to their outlines. Honey. It is edible. A ball. It is inedible. A pie. It is edible. A fly agaric. It is inedible. A ball of thread. It is inedible. An ice cream. It is edible. Well done! Now you know what's edible and what's not. Let's feed pudding. Honey. It is edible. An ice cream. It is edible. A pie. It is edible. Well done! The cat is full now. Choose a topic and let's learn. Let's see what musical instruments there are. A tambourine. A drum. Saxophone. Maracas. A violin. A bell. Great! We've learned new musical instruments. Let's place the musical instruments correctly. A drum sounds like this. A bell sounds like this. A saxophone sounds like this. Maracas sound like this. A tambourine sounds like this. A violin sounds like this. Well done! Now you know how musical instruments sound. Guess what musical instrument sounds like this? Right, that's the sound of a violin. Right, that's the sound of a bell. Right, that's the sound of a drum. Right, that's the sound of a tambourine. Right, that's the sound of saxophone. Right, that's the sound of maracas. Well done! You've learned all the musical instruments. Choose a topic and let's learn. Tap the Start button next to the topic you want to learn. Kitty cats are waiting for you. Let's start playing.